So excuse my not talking too much. It's everywhere. It is absolutely going off. Hello again, and welcome to my tree. So today is going to be something a little bit different for your viewing pleasure. I've got the Canon 50D with essentially a kit lens, 17 to 85, 15 megapixel APS-C sensor. So I'm going to take some photos with the old 50D and see what we can get out of it and see what sort of images we can come away with. Okay, now because I don't have a wide angle lens, my framing is a bit more like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just walk backwards. We're going to come back further away from the tree, and that's going to give us a wider view. Now we can get more of the sky in, and that's what it's all about. It's a sunset. We want as much sky as possible. Because I don't have a wide angle lens, I've got colour everywhere. So I'm going to do a panorama. Because we're in manual mode, nothing's going to change. So all I'm going to do is put my camera into portrait mode and then sweep across the frame. Try and keep my horizon fairly straight. Now that the sky's going off, I'm just taking shots. Okay, look at it. Have a look at it. How good is that sky? Look at it. It's just gone off again. I can't believe what's going on. This is incredible. Okay, so this is my tree. I found it, I patented it, and very much in the Aussie way of ray gun, it's my tree, so don't try and take it. Wow. How good is that? Wow. Got your wide angle?
Oh,
it's amazing, isn't it?
I just had a look at the back of the screen and
yeah.
are you kidding?